When the trees start to turn.
Yeah, see, when the trees are down a little bit or in the spring, you can see it's barn better. And so it's probably all gonna be green and I'm not gonna see, but. Right, through there's probably eaten with that farm.
Farland is approximately.
This way, okay, and now over here, that elevator, that one over there.
That would probably be the, either the Dana or the Peyton, one or the other. Farland, if you're blinking, yes, it is.
That's first thing.
Everything there. But then, they're quite, they do a lot of that one. Peyton.
Not much of a hill. Oh, off to the, keep going to the east, you mean?
Yeah.
I just thought it was a weather balloon and I gave it.
Hey Madison, was the climb scary?
What?
Is looking down scary?
No.
I think it is. Can I zoom with this? Whoa. Here comes someone else.
Okay, ladies, you're in the room. Yes, you can get in the room.
Or we can see you guys from here.
So Dad,
Don't. Who gets to wash the windows?
huh?
Oh, the bells all came from
Oh
the
yeah. Says it, huh?
Approximately 350 pounds. And in doing that, then they add an elevator over the courthouse to make it handicap. And this is dedicated 1900.
Hey Dad, I wonder if putting binoculars in front of a camera works. What?
We have the Bell Tower Festival, of course, the second weekend of June.
About what? You doing jokes again?
Our first year was here.
Da-da-da. A wasp.
So we made that. In fact, they had a wedding here yesterday.
Huh?
Tree.
Oh yeah, there is a train. See Dad, and when I put it on Facebook, you can remember what it looks like. I'm waiting to go down. That was, I did not like that part.
And this is all stained glass. It's just beautiful.
I was telling them when I put it.
Yes, I know.
I don't like these stairs.
The whole time, it would get down.
tower at? Is that it right over there by that factory? That's what, yeah, I think it is. Yeah, it is. I hopefully have 4 bars. I only have 3.
Why somebody says buildings in the summer?
These freaking bells are loud.